Welcome, my friend. Today I'm taking you on a beautiful journey into the heart of Xmas. A journey filled with large memories, traditions, and a little touch of magic that only this season brings. Xmas is not just a day on the calendar, it's a feeling, a story, and a reminder of everything truly important in life: love, kindness, giving, and hope. So sit back, relax, and let the warmth of this season wrap around you. Have you ever noticed how the world changes in December? Good wines become softer, nights become brighter, and every street feels like a dream painted with the twinkling lights. Children waited excitedly for gifts, families gather around warm meals, and even strangers smile at one another. There's the magic of Xmas. It brings people closer. It reminds us that no matter how difficult the year has been, there is still beauty, still joy, still something to celebrate. It is a season when hearts open a little wider and love become a language everyone understands. Long ago, in a quiet town called Bethlehem, a baby was born, a child who would bring hope to the world. The story, told for centuries, is the heart of Xmas. It teaches us about simplicity, humanity, and compassion. But Xmas is not only a religious story, it is a human story of giving, forgiving, and believing in miracles. Every family, every home, every culture has its own way of celebrating it. Some people candles, some light candles, some decorate trees, some gather around and sing carols. But the message remains the same: peace of earth, goodwill to all. A message the world needs now more than ever. Imagine the joy of decorating a Xmas tree, each moment carrying a memory, each light representing a dream for the coming year. The smell of cookies baking in the oven, the sound of wrapping paper crinkling, the laughter echoing through the house. Some of us write cards, some prepare secret gifts, and some simply sit by the window and watch the snow fall. Remember, old days, old friends, and beautiful moments that shaped our life. Sometimes Xmas traditions may look different in every home, but they share our one thing: they make us feel like we belong. Let me tell you a little story. There was once an old named Thomas who lived alone in a simple, small wooden house at the end of the snowy street. Every year, he decorated a teeny Xmas tree by himself. Just a few lights, a small star on top, something special. But this year, he did not feel like celebrating his life. Life had become quiet, too quiet. One evening, as he was sitting silently by the window, he heard a knock. When he opened the door, a small girl from the neighborhood stood there with a plate of cookies. She smiled and said, "Mom told me Xmas is about sharing, so I brought these for you." Thomas' eyes softened. That simple act of kindness with something inside him. He invited her in. They placed a new ornaments on his lonely tree, and suddenly the room felt warm again. Xmas did not come from the lights or gifts, it came from connection, from a child's heart reminding an old man that he was not forgotten. That is the true miracle of Xmas. As we celebrate Xmas this year, it is not the biggest tree, the most expensive gift, or the loudest celebration that makes this season special. It's the moment, the hugs, and the smile, the memories we create with the people of love. Xmas teach us to pause, to breathe, to appreciate what we have, and to embrace the blessing around us. So, wherever you are, whoever you are with, may this season fill your heart with peace.